Do you need some maintenance on your HVAC system? Get ready because our newest offer will have your system working properly in no time. You can put your mind at ease with some incredibly huge savings. Call us now or click this ad to take advantage of this amazing offer today. Our clients visit us again and again for our elite 5-star service and experience. Take advantage of this exclusive offer. Click now or call us for more information.